Why Triyagyoni? Everyone had just one question to begin with. Why to go to such extreme end? And I had only one answer, that getting food to their table is still a luxury for 80% of the world. And that's what extreme end is about. That's what a life full of struggle is about. And sustainable future is the only answer to it. How does someone tell me to waste or use just the perfect end of an ingredient when others even struggle to get an imperfect piece? Mother Nature doesn't make each apple into a perfect bite. As a chef, it's our job to create a perfect meal with what we have. Cooking was never about rankings, race, or who is better. It was about pleasing souls and feeding the planet without barriers. Triyagyoni is a culinary journey, which is our first initiative towards sustainable future. Because in every walk with nature, we learn more than we seek. So join us in this journey, which is about interacting with nature and its beauty, which is Triyagyoni.